Barkley, it's your movie. I gotta eat. Hey, Christmas Miracle Dog. Alright, I know how to get you out of the bowl. Hang on. Let's do hot dogs. Hang on. Hot dogs. Hey, Buttercup, out of the fridge. Buttercup, cup. Oh, Barkley. Barkley, check this out. Better. Oh, sweetest thing ever. It's your movie, baby. It's your movie. Show what an incredibly handsome pup you are, and how good you are with the thousands of beasties in the house. Oh, see. Hey, baby. Who's my Christmas miracle boy? Alright, Barkley's first movie. Give me a call if you want to see a new movie, because his hair's going to start to grow back in a couple of weeks. And he'll be ready to have his very own home. Barkley, who's the handsomest thing I ever saw? Too much snow glare. Oh, go away. You're not the handsomest thing I ever saw. You're a bunch of weenie-ass dogs. Barkley's my miracle boy. My sweetest miracle boy. Oh, she's a baby. Oh, the big buff in the Alright.